Okay.
Yeah, go mess with him.
No.
Go do something.
No, we still need him.
We still need him? Oh, so when his job is done, we can mess with him, right?
Yeah.
Holy shit! The car was even celebrating!
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. I am back on my way to work. I'm gonna be leaving the camera with Stefan and the guys from ASP Headers, and I'm gonna hurry and rush back and see what these guys have completed. So let's do another one.
They are not here.
Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I just got home, fresh from work, and I'm here to check up on the ASP guys, where we are on day 4 of our 5-day build. Guys, I think these headers might be done today, and we might just get a fire. So make sure you stay tuned, hit the subscribe button. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers, so let's make it happen. You guys hard at work.
Make it look pretty.
That's what you're in the business of doing, right? Making metal look pretty. Oh man.
Gotta find the collector.
I'm gonna grab the collector.
Yeah.
Collector.
Hold these up here for a second. These nuts. I can't.
And we got the back purge set up, and this thing is looking fancy.
You got that? Look at that shot.
This is almost too nice for a Taurus, I swear. That looks serious.
Should be.
That looks real serious. The internet told me that these weren't going to perform any better.
These ones?
Yeah.
Or those ones?
No, both.
Both? Well, we'll have to see about that, huh?
The internet said it. It must be true.
Must be true.
Wait, so equal length is what?
And within 2 inches, if you can get it within 2 inches, that's called good. These ones are within a half an inch.
So what? How long is this runner right here?
That one's about 9, and these are about 8 3/4.
So I mean, hell, that sounds like a tolerance that's well within tolerance.
That's well within a really good tolerance.
True
But
ankle length.
usually
turbo
the
headers.
market, you know, calls it equal length, and they do it within 2 inches of each other.
So a lot of people who are buying equal length stuff may not even really know that it's not equal length.
Correct. Because you know, the parameters are usually right about 2 inches within 2 inches of each runner, but we try to make them within half an inch of each other.
That's called educating the public right there.
That's
you get
right.
what you pay for.
Exactly.
Well, while these guys are working away, finish welding some of these long tube headers for this car, since we've pulled a bunch of weight out of it, we got this old monster truck wheel gap over here. So figured the inner racer in me is going to maybe cut some springs to make it look a little better. So I'm gonna go ahead and start yanking this crap apart, cut some springs, put it back together, and hopefully by then, we got a full set of long tube headers to put on this bad boy. So get that out of the way. You know, for a New York car, this thing's definitely not bad. So I think what we're gonna do is we'll get this thing pulled out and probably yaw that right there. Take a coil or two out of these. Well, after lots of fighting and beating, finally got it off the knuckle. So I think what I gotta do is take off 3 bolts up there, drop this thing out, and I'm done asking. All right, it's finally out. I was done asking. God, I hate New York. Look how nasty it is. It's like letting off a nuclear bomb. Holy crap, that's tight.
It's
wow.
It's not coming.
There we go. You ready?
Yep.
Uh-oh.
3 hours later.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, man. Look at that. Fresh, vibrant order.
Yes, sir.
Woo!
Need a signature?
I don't believe it does. It's actually good.
Okay.
See y'all doing some car work.
Oh, yeah, always, man.
Hey, how y'all doing?
What's your name?
Josh.
Zach.
Zach.
Blue Turd.
Yes, sir. I remember you calling me
Yep.
last time.
Yeah, that's the UPS man that I tracked down to get all the welding stuff.
Right.
Have a good one, brother. So while I'm over here messing with rusty crusty stuff, it looks like we got some finished welded headers over here.
Almost. We got all the runners done. We're gonna all put them back together, finish the flange, weld the flange, and then we'll jump back on the
Back on the turbo manifolds?
back in turbo manifolds. First step is done on that, and once we put everything together, we'll do the J pipe that's gonna meet to the exhaust. We gotta do all 2 bungs on the J pipes. We got springs, tabs and springs, of course.
Dude,
badges.
This front header came out.
So
That thing looks so trick. You know it looks way too nice to be on a Taurus, right?
I know, but I get that all the time.
What's up?
What up?
Well, what are you trying to do there? Trying to get me?
No.
So I got a solution for our rusty, crappy suspension.
Okay.
We're next day airing some Coney shocks and Ibach springs.
From?
All the way from Oklahoma. Definitely not new,
Do they work?
but they work.
Okay.
And they're not rusty. So I got those on the way. Thank you to Tim Toolman. If you guys, anybody, the OG SHO people even know that name, Toolman is hooking me up with some Conies. So we're gonna save that project for a little bit later. But in the meantime, oh my God.
The other one's together.
This is like porn right here, you know?
Car porn.
This is, I'm literally gonna have to make sure I censor my videos to people who are only above the age of 18. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for day 4 of our 5-day episode bonanza, whatever the hell you wanna call it. We are out of welding gas, and Stefan's out of drink. So he's
That's
quitting.
it.
He's quitting for the night.
Done.
So we're gonna take off. We're gonna go race some go-karts or something, see what kind of trouble we can get into. But check out day 5, because you know what that means. 5 days into this, we gotta fire that car up tomorrow. We'll catch you guys later. All right, what's the predictions?
Number 1, baby.
Number 1?
Stefan is gonna win, I know.
No.
Yeah.
You're so losing. Not gonna happen. met some people today, baby. What's up, bitches? That's right, get left, son! Get left, son! Woo! What's up? What's up? Oh, what I tell you? What do I... I'm gonna pass you. I'm gonna pass you. I told you. Oh yeah, the number one, baby. Number one.
Put your wife in front of me to slow me down.
There it is. Told you, number one by what? What is that, almost 3 whole seconds? Can't mess with this.